What?
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Animal Company video. Today we just made $1 million from this. So many.
No, you come back straight up here.
Not
Turtle guy, come to the mirror again. I want credit. I spawned all these in. Put me in your video, bro. Put me in now.
This guy spawned in the video.
Can I be in a video?
Yes, you all are in the video.
I spawned it all.
You all are in the video.
Yo, Marder, you're my friend now. I friended you. You're my friend.
Alright, so make sure to like and subscribe. And we just made over $5 million from Black. Everybody sell it!
I'm gonna spawn 20 bags of money. Actually, every bag goes for 40k, and we'll sell them.
Accept me!
Kaboom!
What's your guys'
5 billion! My biggest milestone! Who killed him?
What's in it
Yeah,
anyway?
Me! Alright, after I just trolled them, now
What are these
everybody friend me, I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber, friend me, everybody.
I need to find the modder. Alright.
Mario, accept it. It's hard 247.
Okay, come back.
Hi, modder, I sent you a friend request. Accept my friend request.
Everybody friend me.
Martyr? What's your name? Martyr, what's your name?
2 seconds, guys. I'm replacing my battery.
No, what's your name? I can't see your name.
No, just give me 2 seconds. I'm trying to replace my batteries, bro. I'm trying to replace my...
Maybe.
Honestly, just give me 2 seconds, guys. I just spawned you all of us and you won't give me 2
I'm
seconds to breathe.
VPS.
I
I'm VPS.
need to put my batteries in.
Friend me. I'm VPS.
No one talking
VPS.
about us.
I'm VPS. Friend me. I'm a YouTuber.
Money. Right.
I love money. Just give me my money.
Right, everybody come to the
Everybody subscribe
come
right
to the
now
friend machine.
for free money. And my new
Everybody come to
fan
the friend
code
machine and
is
tell me your
the
name.
same as Gorilla Tag. Bye, guys.